To have a pimple or a blemish is okay. Just learn to embrace your own skin. Hi, I'm Isabella and this is my Mecca Skin. I'm a makeup artist in store and I naturally wear a lot of makeup all the time. So for me, cleansing is really important in my routine. I've had acne for the last few years. It started in my teen years and it's sort of progressed into my adult years as well. I mainly suffer from hormonal acne along the jaw, and you'll be able to see when I take my makeup off, I do experience it on the cheeks as well. Definitely skincare really helps me, as well as I've kind of had to change my lifestyle as well, exercising more, eating healthier, drinking lots of water. They all play a big part in my skin. So I'm gonna take my makeup off now, and I love using the Bare Minerals cleansing wipes, which are these ones here. And I love them because they're really great for acne prone skin and sensitive skin as well. So I'm just gonna grab a wipe out. So I like to start in sections. I do my cheeks first. I leave my eyes for last. You can see now that my makeup's off, I definitely do have a little bit of redness. So that's, yeah, pretty much all off now. Once my makeup is off with my first cleanse, I love to use the Dr. Dennis Gross all-in-one cleanser with toner. I like to take 2 pumps. And a tip is to use dry hands and a dry face with this one. And then I just massage it all over. And this will help to just get rid of any leftover makeup, as well as help to clear the pores out as well. Then just add a little bit of water. Now this one, you'll notice it doesn't really lather. It almost goes into a milky texture, and I prefer that for my skin type as well because it's not stripping. And this will also lift any makeup off the skin too. Now what I like to do is exfoliate my skin. So I use the Dr. Dennis Gross pill pads, just the universal ones here. So the step 1 is your exfoliation. So I just grab these and just wipe them all around my face. So these peel pads as well, I've been using them for about 3 years, once a week, and I have noticed such a difference with my skin. They definitely do help with the texture. So with these as well, you do need to wait roughly about a minute in between. So step 2 is just gonna neutralize everything. This is just gonna calm any redness down and pop a little bit of hydration back into the skin. And they feel really nice and refreshing on. So next, I love to do a sheet mask. This is the Patrology Get Dewy With It. This is my favorite because it's got hyaluronic acid and honey in it. So I'm gonna pop this one on. Now they look a little bit scary. And I just leave this on, usually for about 15 minutes, but when it's on, I kind of give my face another bit of a massage as well. And I'd probably use this mask maybe once a week, twice a week, whenever I feel like my skin is really dehydrated or dry and it just needs a bit more moisture. So I'm gonna take this one off. So with the leftover serum, I like to massage this as well into the face. So my mask is off now. My skin is really, really plump and hydrated. After this, I like to pop on the Breakout Booster from Dermalogica. So I use this as a spot treatment just on my problem areas. So just get a little bit into the palm of my hand and then just pop them on my cheeks. So you can sort of see along here on the jaw. So this has salicylic acid in it, so this is the only acid that will break through oil in the skin, and this is really going to get in and clean out the pore. There's also a little bit of niacinamide, so what that does is it's going to help with any inflammation in the skin and help with any redness. I do have a breakout just on my forehead as well. I'm just going to focus that there. So now that I've popped my treatment on, it's really important to seal everything in. So my favorite moisturizer is emollient from Ren. It's really great at repairing your skin's barrier. So a little tip, I pop a bit of this on my hand, and then Juno from Sunday Riley. I like to get a few drops of this, mix it all together in your hand and warm it up. And then I just press everything in. And then just give my face a really nice massage. And bring it down to the neck as well. The reason why I mix the moisturizer and the oil together is because it helps to really seal everything into the skin and it helps to protect it as well. That is my routine all finished. So I just want to finish off by saying to have a pimple or a blemish is okay, and just to embrace it. Incorporating a good routine, a healthy lifestyle has really, really helped me. Yeah, if you take anything away, just learn to embrace your own skin.